If the Amazon rainforest disappears, the earth will never be the same again. Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is one of the most important natural regions on the earth? In this video, we are going to explore 3 amazing facts about the Amazon rainforest. Fact number 1. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth. It produces a huge amount of oxygen and plays a vital role in regulating the world's climate. Without the Amazon, the balance of nature would be seriously threatened. Fact number 2. The Amazon is home to more than 10% of all known species on Earth, from rare animals to plants that scientists haven't yet discovered. This rainforest is one of the richest ecosystems in the world. Fact number 3. There are still indigenous tribes living in the Amazon rainforest who have had little or no contact with the modern world. These tribes have lived in harmony with nature for centuries and possess valuable knowledge about the environment. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest is not just a forest, it is the beating heart of our planet. Protecting it means protecting the future of humanity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.